Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung Gear S3 Frontier in this case. So first of all you need to power off your device, and now press and hold power button here. Press and hold it until you see rebooting down. Yes, you have rebooting, and 1 2 3 fast time click the power button like you see, and you one more time. Holding power button, see rebooting 1 2 3. Yes, we have, and we're gonna choose by selecting power button option recovery, press and hold. Voila, and now our device will come with the new brand software without the lags and software problem if you have something on your device. And this operation can easily bypass or reset password from your smartwatch. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel. See you by next video. Hey!